Hey guys, if you don't already, go ahead and follow me on my socials. A little while ago, my hair was copper, and I went from copper to red, and today I'm going to go from red to blonde. So I'm in my bathroom here. Hey guys. And I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to start with a bleach bath, which is one part, one part, one part. So you can use either shampoo or conditioner. Some people like to use dishwashing liquid. I'm going to use just some shampoo I got from the dollar store, which is Salon Selectives. And I'm going to mix one part, one part, one part with my shot glass here. That's how I measure it. So I decided to do a bleach bath first because I have been dyeing my hair red for a little while and also using that color depositing mask. And I know that it really does stick in there really, really good. So I just want to do like a lift of the red off first because red is like super hard to get out. Now, I know a lot of people probably don't condone how I'm doing it, but I have to do it the best way that I know how for me. Either way it goes, my hair it will be damaged from bleach, period. There's no way that it wouldn't be, honestly, because like I said, I've been dyeing it for so long, bleaching it and everything for so long, and I know the name of the game. But on the other hand, the reason why I do things the way that I do it is to have spurts, so that I won't damage my hair really, really badly. I don't keep the bleach on my hair for a long period of time, and I do condition in between. And even a week before I start doing this, I always condition my hair really, really well. I might have olive oil or coconut oil or some type of oil sitting on my hair for an entire night or something like that, or a deep conditioning mask. So unfortunately, your girl still doesn't have any gloves. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. I'm always forgetting stuff. I order everything and then some off Amazon. I need to order some gloves. But anyway, so I got my trusty plastic bags, my grocery bags here. I do put the actual part that's written on the inside or printed on the inside so it doesn't bleed on my hair. I'm actually using the bleach in here. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this bleach on. And that little brush that you see me using, I had I think it was a Clairol or a L'Oreal, like a bleach kit. I think it was for highlights. And it's like a little brush and has all these little bristles in there. And it really, honestly, it gets all up in the nooks and the crannies in between the hairs and everything. So I just decided to keep using it. And it's a really useful little tool. Alright, so I'm doing the other side, and I'm not doing my roots yet because I don't want them to lift yet. I just want the red to start to lift from my hair. Alright, so I'm done with that, and I'm going to go ahead and put some plastic wrap on my head. Now the reason why I use plastic wrap is because it actually really helps the hair heat up from the heat that's coming from my head to the bleach. Like seriously guys, like I can do this, and then when I feel the top of my head just from the outside of the plastic wrap, I can feel that it's warm. So it really, really works for me. I don't know about anybody else, but it really works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on there. Now I think I left it on there for about 30 minutes, which is not bad, just a bleach bath. So then I'm going to come back and see how it's doing. Now in this whole thing, guys, I did everything in in 2 days. So I don't show a lot of the stuff, and that was because I'm not trying to make this video extremely freaking long. Who wants to look at this super long video? But anyway, so I'm just checking, and as you can see, it's lightening up. So I'm just going to put it back on there and just keep it moving for now. Okay guys, so once I took this off, I have a picture here, which is the finished product. See here, where it kind of honestly just went back to my copper hair. I did get it on some of my root, which I didn't mean to do, but we're going to go into the second part, and this is what it looks like dry, but I'm going to go ahead and do this thing again, guys. But this time it's not going to be a bleach bath. It's going to be actual bleach on my hair with the developer. So using the same type of bleach, here it is right here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my bowl. Still going to use 30 volume developer. I love the Salon Care developer. I always use it. If I don't, I am using the ion sensitive scalp developer. So I'm mixing that in. And it's the same thing. No, actually I'm mixing 2 parts developer, 1 part bleach. Actually, sorry guys. So I'm putting that in here and I am mixing it up. So my ends is pretty light, honestly. They're pretty darn light. And you know, hindsight is 2020, so I watch Brad Mundo videos a lot about like epic fails of girls that dye their hair and do all type of crazy stuff. And I guess I'm one of those people. I don't care. But I'm never gonna pay for something I could just do myself, seriously. And then as of now, like I said guys, I really don't want any hair right now. I mean, not any hair, but I don't want long hair, honestly. So even if it fell out, I honestly wouldn't even. I wouldn't even care at this point. But okay, so I'm parting my hair down the middle. I got my trusty grocery bags on, my grocery bag gloves. And I'm gonna go ahead and start. I am parting everything, sectioning everything out this time so the bleach can really get in all of my hairs, as you can see. So what I hope for is maybe like a golden blondish to maybe like a golden honey blondish effect after this bleaching, or maybe not. I might just not have to bleach anything else at all, but I honestly feel like I'm probably gonna have to bleach it again. Alright, so I'm putting it in, guys. Like I said, no roots yet. Now at the end of this one, I did not feel myself going and putting it on my roots, but I'm just letting you know. After I did this go round and I seen what color it was, I did go back in and do my roots. And also, just to let you guys know, I feel like I did not use enough bleach. The bleach should be on there really thick. And I think I was just being lazy and didn't feel like going back to the store and getting some more bleach. But yeah, it should be way more bleach than this on my hair. Alright, so I'm just putting it everywhere. Or on my ends to the middle. Almost up to the root, but not quite. I don't know why I wanted to be blonde, guys, but I was looking at old pictures and I just really wanted to be blonde. So here we go. I know usually this is the opposite, because I usually go blonde in the spring and the summer, and in the fall I usually go darker, but you know, fuck it. I'm just going to do what I want to do. Alright, so I'm getting close, really close to my roots as I can. Alright, this time I'm putting the baggie on there. I got one too many bags and I got my grocery bag gloves, so I'm just going ahead and put that on there to process. And then this is what I came up with. It's like I guess a orangish yellowish color. Alright guys, so I had to go to Sally's and get this Blonde Brilliance lightening kit. This is what I used before for my blonde hair a while ago, and this is how it turned out after I did it. After that, I went and got me some T14 Wella Toner, and then these are the results. Honestly, guys, I feel like I probably need another bleaching, but for now, this is going to be the finished product until later. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.